Hello and welcome to Ching's Secret, the real way to tasty instant Chinese. I'm your host Manasvi and this is our master chef Vikas. Hi Vikas.
Hi Manasvi.
So I can see that there are not many things happening today. So is it really our instant recipe?
First to correct you, there are a lot of things happening today.
Okay.
And it's an instant recipe.
Okay.
It's a recipe of prawns.
Okay.
Crispy fried prawns.
Okay.
Wherein I have some medium-sized prawns.
Mm-hmm.
And these are deveined. Yeah.
Okay.
There's a vein on this side of prawn. So you need to cut them properly and take it out.
Okay.
And wash them before you start using.
And what is the name of the recipe?
Crispy fried prawns.
Okay.
We'll fry them till crispy. And then we'll mix in some sauces, some onions, salt, pepper. And it's done.
Why did I say there's not much happening is because generally when we sit down to cook, we feel like, array, we are supposed to take this, we are supposed to take that, so many masalas happening, so many vegetables happening. But I forgot that this is some instant recipe that our chef is going to teach our viewers, and it's going to be really instant with many things happening. And we always add the corn flour, or we always
mix it properly with the meat. By mixing it with the prawns.
So that once you deep fry it, it's going to be really, really crispy.
Perfect temperature. One by one prawns goes in the oil.
So once you put the prawns in there, the corn flour coated prawns, you should see the bubbles coming off the oil and they should not settle down. That means that your temperature is perfect.
Stir them nicely. Don't overdo the prawns. Don't overcook them, otherwise they become chewy.
Okay.
They become rubbery.
Keep that in mind.
And prawns tend to get cooked really, really fast.
Okay.
And prawns tend to get cooked really, really fast.
Okay. And so you need to really, really be there, be attentive. Don't just leave generally what we do is when we need to deep fry anything, we'll feel like, acha, let me deep fry this, I'll just watch a channel, I'll just surf in between the channel and come back. But the moment you're back, it's all gonna be soiled.
So take this out in a strainer so that the extra oil goes down and the dish doesn't become oily.
We should always bear in mind that whenever we are deep frying anything, please do not strain it on a tissue, otherwise you'll end up having the tissue paper with your dish.
Exactly. Now 1 teaspoon of oil.
Okay.
We use heavy bottom frying pan to avoid the sauce to get stuck to the pan.
Okay.
Medium flame. Some chopped onions.
They are finely chopped?
Very finely chopped.
Finely chopped.
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Can you stir that for me?
Sure. I'm the first student.
2 teaspoons of spicy Ching's Secret Szechuan sauce.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of soy sauce.
Okay.
And quickly add in some prawns.
Okay. And we need to stir it really, really fast because the sauce are supposed to be stirred really fast, otherwise they'll stick onto the pan like our chef said and they would burn and burn the dish as well.
Let us pinch of salt, pepper.
Okay.
Nice.
White pepper.
Yes.
So we can't use the black pepper.
You can if you like the taste of black pepper, but white pepper gives you an extra tinge when you eat it.
Okay. Every time you toss the recipe, you toss the dish and it's done?
It's done.
It's so instant?
It's so instant.
Wow.
But don't toss a dish without cooking it.
Okay, sure. I'll bear that in mind.
Garnish it with nicely chopped spring onions.
Okay.
And it's ready.
Wow, it's really, really looking yummy. How about you tasting your dish this time, chef?
I will definitely taste it. It's so good.
I need to see his expression. The way he was cooking, he was really enjoying it. Let me see whether he enjoys his dish also. 1, 2, 3. Woo! It's hot! And it's good!
Spicy.
So viewers, if you also want to cook many more such instant recipes and enjoy them at home, just tune into Ching's Secret, the real way to tasty instant Chinese.
7 to 8 pieces medium-sized prawns, 1 cup corn flour, oil to deep fry, 3 tablespoon Ching's Secret Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon Ching's Secret soy sauce, half cup chopped onions, salt and pepper to taste, 1 spring onion to garnish.